The price of one Theta network / Theta coin right now is $0.9831330. It has lost 8% in the past 24 hours. 50.55% of the time, the price of Theta ended higher than when it started the day. The highest price we've ever seen for a single Theta was $13.69 2 years and 9 months ago. The price is now minus 92.82% lower than that high point. There are 17 technical indicators, and 5 of them say to buy and 9 say to sell. Based on technical price research, the short-term prediction sentiment is bearish. The first big rising resistance for Theta is at $1.03. It needs to close above that level to keep going up. The bottom support is at $0.9450826. We could see the price drop even more if it falls below $0.9450826. If it can close above $1.03, on the other hand, it can go up to $1.09, which is the next level of support. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the last 14 days is currently at 37.58, which means that the market is not oversold or overvalued. In the same way, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, for the weekly chart is at 41.70, which also shows that the market is acting normally. 5 times out of 7, the price of Theta on the last day of January was higher than the open price. The other 2 times, the price was lower than the price at the beginning of the month. For 7 years in a row, January has been the best month for Theta Network. 5 times as much Theta was worth at the end of January as it was at the beginning of the month. 6 times out of 7, the price at the end of June was less than the starting price. June is the worst month. For more information, look at monthly results. There were 2 bull runs for Theta Network. The first one started in January 2018 and ended 322 days later at $0.0420751, when the price hit its lowest point. Since January 2018, it took about 3 years to reach a new all-time high. There have been 1,008 days since the last bull run in April 2021. It took 1,156 days for Theta to hit a new all-time high the last time. Our estimate for the price of Theta Network is that it could reach $1.13 in the next 10 days. In the long term, we think it will be worth $4.19 in 2025 and $7.64 in 2030. Taking into account all of the past highs and lower time frame predictions, the price prediction for 2040 is $22.73. It is thought that Theta Network will be worth $4.19 in 2025. That's the most we think Theta will go up, and $3.25 is the least we think it will go down.